Chapter 8, Use of Articles. En and the are called the articles. In reality, they are adjectives. Like adjectives, they are placed before nouns. Compare the use of article and adjectives. Call a boy from the class. Here is an umbrella. Call the boy who came first. A and N are called the indefinite articles. A and N means one. It does not indicate a particular person or thing. As a general rule, A or N is placed before a countable noun in the singular number. We cannot say, give me a milk. Milk is not countable. We can, however, say, give me a cup or a glass of milk. Since cup or glass is countable, the is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. Example, this is the bird saw, some particular bird. As a general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. Examples, this is a hut, this is an axe, the dog is near the gate. But a common noun in the singular number does not have an article before it when it is used in a general sense. Example, man is mortal. Do you know, when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article a or an. But when we speak of the same person or thing a second time, we use the definite article the, as in. A man saw a boy riding on an ass. The man punished the boy riding on the ass. As a general rule, common nouns in the plural number do not have the definite article the placed before them. Examples, birds build nests. Children like toffees. Bullocks draw carts. Lions eat flesh. But when we speak of particular persons or things that we have already mentioned before or that are known to us, we use the definite article the. Example, the children of this area do not like the fruits sold in the market. Use of a or an. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant, as in a book, etc. Examples, a car, a year, a hero, a history. Before the word one, which begins with the consonant sound of V, before the word one, which begins with the consonant sound of Va, as examples, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, such a one, a one-way road. An is used before words beginning with a vowel, a, e, I, o, u. Examples, an ox, an enemy, an Englishman, an inkpot, an Englishman, an inkpot, an Indian, an engine, an elephant, an ass, an orange, an empty bottle, an umbrella, an ugly man. Before a word beginning with a silent H, resulting in a vowel sound at the beginning. Examples: an hour, an honest, an honest man, honest, an heir, an honorable man, honorable. C. Before abbreviations beginning with a consonant letter having a vowel sound. Examples: an MA, an MLA, an MP, an FRS, an SP. Use of indefinite articles a or an. A or an is used in the sense of 1. Give him only a rupee. I ate a piece of bread. A certain person or thing. There is an old man with 8 sons. In the morning, a beggar knocked my door. A class. A cow is a useful animal. A dog is a faithful animal. Every. He has paid 50 rupees a week. The bananas are cost 70 rupees a dozen. Many common phrases used a or an as in the following: as a rule, on a large scale, a severe pain, a bad cold, a headache, on an average, at a loss, make a noise, make a use of the. The definite article the is used when we refer to some particular person or thing. Examples: let us go to the movie. The children of the school are very obedient. B. When a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class. Examples: the rose. Roses in general smell sweet. The elephant. Elephants in general is a big animal. C. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, and groups of islands. Examples: the Ganga, the Thames, the Godavari, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal. Before the name of newspapers and sacred books. Examples: the Tribune, the Times of India, the Amrit Bazar Patrika, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. But we say Valmiki's Ramayana. Before common nouns which are names of things unique of their kind. Examples: the earth moves round the sun. The world is full of sorrow. The moon is shining in the sky. Before the directions. Examples: the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Before the names of races or nations. The Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians, the Romans defeated the English. But the is not used before the names of languages. Example: Hindi is easier than English. Before adjectives in the superlative degree and before ordinal numeral adjective. Examples: January is the first month of the year. This is the best dress I have seen. Before an adjective when the noun is understand and denotes a group or class. Examples: the young and the old, the high and the low all loved him. The rich men should help the poor men. Omission of the article. The article is omitted before names of towns. Examples: Mumbai, Agra, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur. Names of countries. Examples: India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar. Names of persons. Examples: Nehru, Ashoka, Akbar, Churchill. Names of mountain peaks. Examples: Mount Abu, Mount Everest. Names of streets. Examples: Victoria Street, Mahatma Gandhi Road. Names of the days of the week. Examples: Tuesday, Sunday. Examples: Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday. Names of the months of the year. Examples: March, January, February, July, August, April, May, June, September, November, October, December. Names of materials. Examples: clothes are made of cotton, silk and wool. Neither iron nor copper is to be found here. Abstract nouns used in a general sense. Examples: health is better than wealth. Honesty is the best policy. Wisdom is preferable to riches. Arts and science. Examples: I do not like to study mathematics. Painting is a fine art. Chapter